Victoria, thank you. Attorneys for an Appleton police officer named in a federal lawsuit are appealing a judge's decision denying qualified immunity, letting that lawsuit move forward. It concerns the shooting death of 33-year-old Daniel Pesavento in August of 2022. Appleton police had responded to a 911 call after a domestic incident. An officer shot the 33-year-old man in the driveway of his home during negotiations. The lawsuit says Bryce Rudebeck fired 4 shots that hit Pesavento. The Outagamie County District Attorney determined the officers involved would not face any criminal charges. In an appeal filed with the 7th Circuit Court of Appeals this week, attorneys for the officer pose a legal question as to whether the officer violated clearly established law. They're asking the federal case be put on hold until the 7th Circuit decides the issue.